In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay default card won't change. First, go to your iPhone settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure you are signed in to the correct Apple ID. Then scroll to default card and select the card you want Apple Pay to use for payments. After setting the new default card, close the settings app and reopen it to confirm the change was saved. Next, restart your iPhone or Apple Watch to refresh system processes and allow Apple Pay settings to sync properly. You should also make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version, since outdated software can prevent changes from being saved. If default card still won't change, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. Then try setting the default card again. As a workaround, you can always manually select the correct card on the Apple Pay payment screen before confirming the transaction. If the issue continues, contact Apple support or your card issuer for further assistance. So that's it.